dance performance?
No, well the good thing is we've got the community involved, so they've been brilliant and sent loads of videos of how the quizzes helped over the 6 months and stuff, so there's some really lovely videos in there, so we're gonna play them out tonight.
Oh yeah, we thank you on behalf of all our listeners and indeed the community for doing the quizzes, Jay, because you really have provided such entertainment and fun and something for everybody to get involved in. You are a champion, so you deserve a good celebration tonight. Right, okay, enough of the niceties. Shall we get down to it? Jay has 5 questions for us all. Good luck playing along, listening. Good luck to Tina. I mean that. And good luck, Richie. That's the protocols. Over to you, Jay.
Okay, so here we go then. Question number 1. Feeling Good, Home and Everything are hit singles for which artist?
Feeling good. Chris Rea.
Number 2. Dolores, Minerva, Rubius and Horace are the first names of professors in which book/film series?
I thought that was going to be a sister act question when you said Dolores.
That's what you were hoping for, wasn't it?
Can you repeat those again, please?
Yeah, Dolores, Minerva, Rubius and Horace are the first names of professors in which book/film series?
Professors.
Big Bang.
Yep.
Film series. Did he sit in smog after question 2? I said that's not going to change now, isn't it?
Big Bang.
Number 3. Which long-running non-fiction book series this week celebrated their 66th annual version?
Which number?
The 66th.
No idea. Beano.
These are not my questions this week.
Number 4. How many British queens have been called Elizabeth?
Is that actually? Can't be, surely. Sorry, I've been momentarily put off. I've just seen Gary Davis come in his leathers. I've got off the mic. Let's go. Good morning, Gary.
Finally, number 5. I asked this on Thursday night, but which country has the southernmost point of mainland Europe?
Which country has the southernmost points?
Spain or Italy?
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Spain or Italy?
That's a tough one. Oh, they are good questions this week. I'm loving those. I thought I was doing quite well. I may have miserably failed by the last 2, but we shall see. How have you got on at home? Let us know. 88 291. Answers from Jay after this smasher from Reeve.